بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين. الفيديو ده بيتكلم على جزء من Unit 2 Chapter 5 which is liberation of electrons. To liberate electrons from its atom we must do work or energy to overcome what's called potential barrier between this electron and its nucleus. So the potential barrier is the least potential difference between electron and its nucleus, which keep electron in its position. To liberate that electron, we must overcome this potential barrier by giving the electron energy. This energy may be electrical or heat or light. Thermal emission of electrons, cathode ray tube. This method is using heat energy to overcome the potential barrier between the electron and its nucleus, and this is done in a device which is called cathode ray tube. The cathode ray tube is a glass vessel evacuated from inside, contains filament which is heated by a source of electricity. When this filament is heated, the cathode, when this filament is heated, the cathode will emit electrons. These electrons will be accelerated by a positive anode. So the cathode is negatively charged. When heated by this filament, it will emit electrons. These electrons will be accelerated by the positive anode. So we have here a beam of electrons with a kinetic energy. This grid connected to the video signal. When the negativity of this grid is changed, it will control the intensity of electrons emitted by the cathode. And there is also two group of plates, X plates and Y plates, also connected to the video signal. By changing their negativity, the X plate will move the electrons on the screen in horizontal direction, while the Y plate, when its negativity is changed by the video signal, it will change the direction of the electrons on the screen vertically. These changes will make a raster on the screen which give the full information sent by the video signal. This fluorescent screen is a glass screen covered with zinc sulfide. When electrons falls on it, it will give illuminated spot. Charge of electron 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 19 coulomb. We must know it. Electron mass 9.1 times 10 to the power negative 31 kilogram. Also we must know it. The kinetic energy of the moving electrons equal half mv squared, where m is the mass of the electron and v is the velocity of the moving electrons. Also kinetic energy can be calculated from that relation. E, which is the electron charge, multiplied by V, which is the potential difference between cathode and anode.